So I see the pressure washer is out here, and this looks to be an otherwise nice deck. I don't like these clips that they use. I can't even tell from the color, but I think it might be mahogany. What's going on with this? Yeah, I would suggest to do this deck the best service, I would use stainless steel screws. One right there. Put the stainless steel screws. You have to. It's not even like an option, because these are not holding. You've got to put stainless steel screws to hold these. Boom, boom. All these corners, stainless steel screws, so that you get a real pinch, not this bogus clips nonsense. I would button all of this up with the stainless steels, and you could even go one step further and drill and plug them. You could even go one step further than that and replace these with new mahogany planks and screw them down, because those have seen better days. I think they're water damaged in some way. But the deck itself, loose. These clips all, for lack of better words, I don't want to use bad words, these clips are not very good. I would re-screw the whole thing down, sand and finish it, replace these boards here. I mean, this is a very key aspect of this property, and for this to be so compromised and, I don't want to say poorly designed, I don't want to disparage anything about it, but it could be a lot better off than it is. This could be a showpiece versus not so nice. Let's see. Anyways, there's a lot of options to go with this. New planks to surround it. These existing planks could probably be salvaged. Not too keen on seeing this here. These pieces could be, yeah. A restoration on this could really make this look dynamite. But this needs more than a pressure washing. I see what's going on here, and it's going to need a lot more than this. This needs carpentry attention. This needs a true floor man's attention for sanding and finishing, and using a penetrating oil to protect it. I'm not keen on these planks. I'd like to ditch all of these planks that are showing that groove on there, and yeah, I'm starting to get my idea now. Ditch all of those planks, use new mahogany planks so that you don't see this groove. I believe this could be sanded and finished. In my opinion, everything should be screwed down minimally with stainless steel screws so it grabs and pinches it tight. Ideally, you put mahogany plugs into the screw heads. I'll send a video of a job that we did with that. I salvaged the mahogany deck. I don't see any red in it, but this can't be Ipe, because I could stick my thumbnail in it. I'm guessing this is mahogany. Usually mahogany has a red tone in it, but it also could be very tan once it's old. But yeah, I'm going with mahogany. This is mahogany. So what's the short synopsis? For optimum results, we would replace the boards as necessary, screw everything down, sand and finish it, apply a penetrating oil in the color of choice, most likely mahogany, to bring back the color that they want to be. And as far as the decking furniture, it seems to be nice quality furniture. The pressure washing is the right idea. We could use the same type of oil on the decking furniture after pressure washing it thoroughly. That looks like it's doing an okay job. I have a pressure washer that's 3000 psi. Yeah, I'd love to make this deck all that it could be. Okay.